Hi, today I'm with me Nokia T21 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to network and internet. Here click to internet section and to activate Wi-Fi you should tap only to the switcher. After that you'll see here all the available networks which you just then select, enter the password and just connect. For example, then just tap to them, wait a couple of seconds and we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. We can see that we can forget the password, disconnect or to share also with the QR code with the password with someone. If you want to use more just networks than one, just to switch between them, you can just by the same way connect to them and after that you will find them here in Save Networks section. So just to turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi you should use the switcher. Also, one more way how we can do that, you should open notification panel, shortcut the control panel and then you'll see here the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off we should click on this icon, and to launch the settings we should hold this icon and after that by the same way enter the password and tap to connect. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.